Oh, this is another Tanner's Real episode. So today this is a construction work site with Legos. There's a guy jackhammer, there's a couple workers. A lot of vehicles guys drive. Hey, exit off. That's everything.
What are they doing, Tanner?
They're building houses.
Oh yeah, and what are they taking away?
An old shopping center.
An old shopping center?
Yeah.
And what's the guy doing on the very top of the building? Right over there. With the megaphone.
Yelling out what they should do.
Oh, is he the boss?
Yeah, he's the boss.
Oh, cool. And tell me about that camper that's in there.
Camper. Those all those Lego cars and collectibles. What they drive.
Green light collectibles?
Yeah, green light. Those are what the guys drive to work.
That's what they drive to work.
Yeah.
And wow, you got a guy up there on, it looks like a crane truck.
He is on a crane truck.
And over there you've got a guy, you don't have a guy, but you've got a really big excavator doing some work. And what's that blue little building in the middle?
A porta potty.
That's the porta potty. And what's the truck doing next to it with the vacuum hose?
It's sucking over yucky stuff out.
And then what, are you going to take apart that bridge, or do you need that bridge?
It's going to put that bridge down.
So you've got a lot of work to do, and we should give you a little time to work now?
Yeah. I what a time where I work. Yeah, we're going to be working for 3 days. 3 days and we go home. 3 days and we go home. 3 days and we go home. 2 days and we go home. 1 day and we go home. In 10 days and we go home. In 1 day and we go home. In 2 days and 3 days we go home. Okay, exit off.
Thank you, Tanner, for explaining your work scene today. We'll catch you next time on TannerWheelz episodes of Legos and other interesting toys.
Wait, stop! I want to...
One more.
And
Extended version.
They're blowing up some stuff.
Were they going to blow up the bridge?
They're going to blow up that building actually. They're going to blow up that building and they're going to blow up over here.
Well, isn't that what the wrecking ball does? Show us how the wrecking ball works, Tanner.
You just turn it like...
All the way around and let it move your hand around so we can see. Go around the other way and do it.
You can see the building falls.
Wow. That's a big mess now. Okay.
And then the wizard on the back.
Okay, that's it for this episode.
Yeah.
Have fun with your toys. Say that.
Have fun with your toys.
Okay.